So what is compounding and why Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world? Well, the definition of compounding is basically that it's a process in which an asset's earnings are reinvested to generate additional earnings over time. So let's have an example. If we have an investment of, let's say, $10,000 and 10 years and 8% interest on the investment. So after 10 years we will have 21,500. And if we look here, we get 8% from 10,000, then we get 8% from 10,800. And then we get another 8%, but from 11,664. And then 8% from 12,597, and so on. So as you can see, this is not linear, because we are getting earnings not only from the initial investment, but also from the previous earnings that this investment has generated. And it really gets crazy when we use time, when we expand it. So let's change 10 years to 50 years. See that? It goes all the way up. It's getting, steeper and steeper. And just look that at the end of year 50, we invested only $10,000 with 8% interest, and we didn't put any extra money into it after that. And after 50 years, we are getting close to $500,000. But what's really interesting is that, look, it's year 50, 469,000. But let's go down to year 44, and it's just less than 300,000, 295,000. So look at that. We earned 174,000 in 6 years from the investment of 10,000. That is why the compounding is such an incredible force. And we can speed it up if we reinvest the dividends, but the most important thing is not to take the money out, because then we just disturb the compounding. And compounding is this magical force behind the rule of 72. And if you want to find out what this rule actually is, then I made a video about it, and it's over here. So I hope it was helpful, and if so, then please, I would really appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe, and see you soon.